let's continue with this 2020 Iveco 2.3 liter, the one with the bad wiring. I'll try to get below to check for other wiring issues. Let me turn on the phone. Flash always on. Okay. Oh look, this is the cat. Have on. So we have a lot of sensors. This is the AdBlue injector. Okay. So the wiring for the oxygen sensors and temperature sensor are somewhere between the frame and the catalytic converter. We have, what do we have here? Oh look, same vibrations, rubbing, cable wrapping. I don't know for sure. I think only the insulation is faulty. I think the cables are okay. Yes. So the deal is that after you make some mechanical work at your car or customer car, you need to make the cable management in the right way, to put back all the clips, because the vibrations are destroying the cables. Doesn't matter how good they are insulated with different types of materials. Yes. And for you that you make the diagnostic, you need to check all the time for this kind of issues. So how can I get to the wiring? Because I have no space. Always check the cables that are touching together or are touching the panels, because I'm pretty sure that the factory is not doing this kind of shit, because they have a target that the car works almost perfect for the guarantee period. Yes, because they don't want the cars to get back to the factory service for any kind of jobs. After that period expires, they are waiting for you to sell same component with double price. Yes. So I think it's not gonna be easy. Look, same shit here. This video is to keep in mind the electricians and mechanics too. Because you need to do your job in the right way as a mechanic. Because if you do your job as a mechanic and you don't give a shit about the cables, the wiring, after some period the car will get back to your shop. And even if you make an easy repair, like changing some mechanical part, but for doing this you need to manipulate some wiring looms and you did not put them back in the right way, we're gonna have a problem. And it's not cheap to get an electronic specialist to repair these kind of things. What's wrong? Even my dogs cry. Even my dog cry. Hey, 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 Rinky. Look, it's here. Okay, so we need to remove some mechanical components to get to the wiring loom and repair it. Keep in touch.